Morning, sir.
Good morning.
So, what can you say about today's development and the administration of South Sinopuru?
Well, the gospel truth and nothing but the truth is that the government of Elder Austin Oporom is a good leader, a dedicated one, educated one, an intelligent one. As we can see, this very street, since I was born, there is no street here. Almost everyone that is living inside this place don't have any access to their various houses. But today, with the veto power of Elder Austin Oprom being the 001 of Omodo, as God may want it, today you have declared and opened these streets for every dick and Tom. My name is Darlington Ajuru, being the Ezokenema, popularly known as Ezokenema. So you can see that they removed all my economic bets for peace to reign and for the betterment of the community. It's
Part
okay
of the
by me.
sacrifice.
Yes, yes.
Thank you very much.
God bless you, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah.